No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need. And I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice. Today's video is going to be an extreme get it all done. I did this video in 2 days. Please do not stress yourself about getting your home completely organized or perfect in one day. If you know me, you know that that's my motto. I don't kill myself to try to get everything done in one day. I take it little by little. If that kind of content really vibes with you, please consider subscribing, leave a comment and a like, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
Just stay till the morning light. Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak. Maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now?
Okay guys, I'm loving the pop of yellow in my kitchen. I recently decorated it for spring, summer, whatever you want to call it. And I promise I have a video coming out on all the new pieces that I added, because I did add some new pieces. Some were old, some were stuff I purchased brand new from Hobby Lobby, but I promise I will let you guys know where everything is from in that video, and I will do a kitchen tour coming up.
How'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the bar. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say it to my friends. Think I'm lame. Since I met you, I am not the same. It was not meant to be a fairy tale with a happy end. Girl, you take care now. I hope we can be friends. How could they say I was
Okay,
broken?
guys, I want to do a room refresh in my living room, and there's a big project coming you guys' way. On in the living room, we're gonna put a fireplace in there, and it's gonna have built-in shelves and stuff. I can't wait because you know I love to decorate, and I'll have more spaces in which I can decorate and display all my pretty things. But I want to do a room refresh, but I don't know what color. I don't want to do pink because yeah, I don't want to do pink. I don't want to do blues either, so please let me know what color I should do.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances.
So it's the next day. I went grocery shopping because we are supposed to be getting a snowstorm. I went grocery shopping the Wednesday, and we're supposed to get a snowstorm on Thursday, the following day, the next day. I don't know. That does not make any sense, Janice. But anyways, we're supposed to be getting a snowstorm, so I went grocery shopping. And I just needed to clean out the refrigerator because it was a hot mess. But the way my anxiety is set up, I can't do something just like tackle it full on. Something like this. I can't do it full on. I have to do it in sections, like chunks. And that's just how my anxiety is set up. So I hope you guys are enjoying this because I'm not.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different. Still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments. Doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors. They kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up. Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions, sharing stories that we never had. Yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.
Here comes Miss Nosy. She's just so nosy. My 4-year-old toddler, that is. I love her so much. She's a handful, and I just want her to not grow up anymore.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
cauliflower, and then this guy, this is meatballs with, you're a little loud, Muddy, chicken meatballs with spinach, sweet potato, and red peppers, and that's the same. And then we're gonna have cream spinach.
your face in the crowd, I never thought that I would see you tonight. We lock eyes and you smile, every single memory comes back to life. Your lips pressed against mine after a night out. We got drunk and ended up at your place. From the moment that I saw you, I knew that it was love, bet that you felt the same. Standing here, I need to let you know, what if I had never let you go? Standing here, I need to let you know that I need you tonight. You should know that I miss you.